Welcome to VARINDIA News Hour. Indian OTT landscape sees huge transformation as demand surges for regional content. As the world emerges from the global pandemic, the video distribution landscape is continuing to change at a furious pace. The rapid migration of viewing on streaming platforms, which accelerated in 2020 and 2021, has seen new data-based business models emerge with an increased focus on advertising as subscription growth tapers off. OTT platforms in India spent Rs 3,700 crore on original content in 2021. Netflix, for the largest investor, spending around Rs 1,479 crore, followed by Amazon Prime Video with a spend of around Rs 1,035 crore as per Omedia's India. India's over-the-top video streaming market may record a compounded annual growth rate of more than 20% to touch $13 billion to $15 billion over the next decade, riding on original content and pricing innovations, a new report said. Paid subscribers are also estimated to expand at a CAGR of 17% to reach 224 million by 2026 from the current 102 million, according to All About Screens. The current overcrowding of the Indian OTT market means consolidation in this sector is inevitable. Going forward, there will be merger and acquisition activity among local players as the emergence of new technologies and moves to revitalize legacy media businesses that are meanwhile continuing to transform the shape of the business globally in multiple ways as the market continues to develop. The growth in the OTT industry, which makes up 7 to 9% of its entertainment industry, will also be driven by low data costs and the rise of short-form content, the report says. OTT platforms invested an estimated $665 million in content in 2021, with Netflix, Amazon Prime Video and Disney Plus Hotstar leading the pack with a combined spend of $380 million. The country is witnessing a boom in regional content and platforms created to address this demand. The share of regional language consumption on OTT platforms is expected to cross 50% by 2025 from 30% held in 2019, easing past Hindi at 45%, the report said. India's video streaming industry is highly fragmented with more than 40 operators. Global streaming service providers such as Amazon, Disney-owned Hotstar, Sony Live and Netflix compete with domestic service providers such as ZEE5, VOOT and MX Player, as well as a host of regional and ultra-localized players. With more than 30 platforms competing to build a subscriber base, they are experimenting with newer ways to please their audience. With the help of big data, platforms are devising ways to personalizing their user experience. Innovations such as voice tags, augmented and virtual reality, 360-degree viewing and blockchain technology are also getting intensely explored. The pace at which the industry is transforming makes it indispensable for the platforms to evolve continuously. The overall digital TV landscape, the concept of super aggregation, the phenomenal growth of fast channels, the issues raised by streaming technology challenges and solutions and network operators' growing use of TV as a service to deliver video offerings is part of a multi-play proposition. Let's look into today's headlines in VARINDIA. NSOgroup accused of selling Pegasus to Andhra government. In a major revelation, Andhra Pradesh's former intelligence chief A.B. Venkateshwara Rao has disclosed that Israeli cyber intelligence firm NSOgroup had approached the state government during Chandrababu Naidu's regime with an offer to sell its Pegasus spyware. There have also been speculations over whether state government have purchased Pegasus. This is the first time that there is confirmation that NSO had approached a state government after West Bengal CM Mamata Banerjee's recent revelation about receiving an offer for the illegal spyware. Intel to acquire Granulate for about $650 million. Chipmaker Intel has announced to acquire Granulate Cloud Solutions Limited, an Israel-based developer of real-time continuous optimization software, for up to $650 million. The acquisition will help cloud and data center customers to maximize compute workload performance and reduce infrastructure and cloud costs. The transaction is expected to close in the second quarter of 2022. Intel and Granulate have worked together under a commercial agreement to collaborate on workload optimization on Xeon deployments. PaloAltoNetworks exposes customer support cases and attachments. A bug in the support dashboard of PaloAltoNetworks, a leading provider of cybersecurity and networking products and firewalls, exposed thousands of customer support tickets to an unauthorized individual, including names and business contact information of the person creating support tickets, conversation between PaloAltoNetworks staff members and the customer. The company said it has now fixed the issue. C-DAC Pune to launch 3 new security products. The Center for Development of Advanced Computing Pune unveiled a security handbook for women and children to protect themselves from possible offences in the cyber world. On the occasion of their 35th Foundation Day, C-DAC will launch 3 important products related to supercomputers, wireless communication network, and govt 2, an Android-based mobile device security solution addressing emerging threats. Bhopal to be the first 5G-enabled smart city in India. The government of Madhya Pradesh announced that Bhopal will be India's first 5G-enabled smart city. With this announcement, Bhopal joins the list of Indian cities such as Mumbai, New Delhi, Lucknow and Bengaluru that are set to get 5G services first. The capital city of MP will pilot 5G internet services in select areas in the next 4 months and will involve a partnership between the government and one of India's telecom companies to conduct 5G trials, giving citizens the access to high-speed internet. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VARINDIA News Magazine. You can download the VARINDIA app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.